In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a resume, or an infographic, knowing how to convert your design into a PDF is essential. So let's go through these steps together, and I'll make sure you have all the information you need to do it effortlessly. First off, you'll want to have your design ready in Canva. Maybe you've been working on a brochure or a social media post that you'd like to save and share. Canva offers a range of design tools and templates that can help you bring your vision to life. So, take a minute to fine-tune your project, play around with colors, add or remove elements, and ensure that every detail represents what you had in mind. Once you're satisfied with your design, the next step is to head over to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click on the Share button. It might seem like an odd choice to find download options under Share, but this is where Canva has streamlined both sharing your designs with others and downloading them for personal use. After clicking Share, you will see a drop-down menu or a pop-up with a variety of options. From there, you'll want to click on Download. This action opens a window where you can choose the file type you'd like to save your design as. Canva supports multiple file formats, but right now, we're focusing on PDFs. In this next section, you'll see several format options. You will need to click on the file type selector and choose PDF Standard. This option is perfect if you need a lightweight PDF that's still good quality for viewing or simple sharing. It's ideal for emailing to colleagues or friends as it doesn't take up much space. If you are instead needing something for print, Canva also offers a PDF print option that retains the highest quality possible, but for now we're sticking to the standard. With that selected and confident that everything is set as needed, go ahead and click the download button. Canva will process your request, and in just a moment your design will be ready to download as a PDF file onto your device. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily share your design with anyone as a PDF. Remember, PDFs are a great way to ensure your designs look consistent across different devices and platforms, making this an invaluable skill for anyone using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.